Reports are flooding in from multiple states across the U.S. regarding a serious issue with Tesla's Cybertruck. Sources confirm a global firmware malfunction affecting the vehicle's core systems. This defect is allegedly causing unexpected and dangerous behaviors on the road, including sudden braking, loss of steering control, and unresponsive autopilot features. Authorities are urging Cybertruck owners to immediately park their vehicles and avoid driving until Tesla provides further instructions. Tesla representatives have yet to release an official statement, but insiders hint at an emergency update in development to address the issue. Stay tuned for more updates as this critical story unfolds.